Hello friends and welcome back to the course of Power Engineering and Refrigeration for the students of 5th semester Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. I am Ritesh Harode, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the basic working of IC engine, the different strokes performed in IC engine in one working cycle. The session outcomes after completion of this video, the learner will be able to explain the principles of IC engine operation, describe the motion of different components in IC engine, identify four strokes of IC engines and the working of these four strokes in IC engine. We are going to learn about the working principle of IC engine. During this, we are going to learn about the interrelated motion between the different components of IC engine such as piston, connecting rod and crankshaft. We are going to learn about how the chemical energy of fuel is converted into heat energy, and then this heat energy is converted into mechanical energy which can be used to perform different types of work. In this lecture, after learning this working, we will be able to identify the four strokes which are performed in an one working cycle and how these four strokes work. Before moving further, please pause this video for a moment and recall what we have learned in the last lecture. You have to recall the different components of IC engine and the terminology of engine, which is very useful in this lecture. Now, before moving further, let's revise what we have learned in the last lecture. In the last lecture, we have learned about the components of IC engine and the terminology of engine. In last lecture, we have learned about that we are having a hollow cylinder in which a piston is used. The piston reciprocate within the engine and this piston is connected to a crank through this connecting rod. When a piston moves in cylinder, this reciprocating motion is converted into a rotary motion of a connecting rod. About the engine terminology, we are having the top dead center, commonly known as TDC, and a bottom dead center known as BDC. The piston moves from this TDC to BDC and BDC to TDC. The moment of piston from TDC to BDC is known as stroke. So, in one working cycle, there are total four stroke performed in an IC engine. So, this is a very important concept, that stroke, top dead center and a bottom dead center. In engine, we are also having two valves. One is known as inlet valve while the other one is known as exhaust valve. So this is a basic components of an IC engine, and this terminology is useful to us during the like uh, next topics. Now let's move further and understand the working principle of IC engine. In IC engine, the fuel is used as a working medium. All the IC engine works on the principle of open cycle. That is, the fuel or a working fluid which is used once is cannot be used again and again. So we are having a fuel which is having a chemical energy stored in it, and that energy we need to convert into a mechanical energy so that we can perform some work by that energy. The examples of working fluids are the petrol and diesel. In IC engine, the chemical energy which is possessed by a fuel is first converted into a heat energy by combustion of this fuel. So, fuel is burned inside the IC engine. Now, due to this combustion, the fuel is converted into a heat energy. So this is the first conversion which occurs in IC engine. After this, the energy is converted into a mechanical energy, and this is our basic motto of IC engine. In this case, as this is an open cycle, the petrol cannot be used again and again because once the fuel is burned, it cannot be used again. So the exhaust, the remains of fuel, that is exhaust, is released to the atmosphere. जैसा we always use a vehicle, so in that exhaust is released. So this is a most important part. So in this particular working of IC engine, a fuel is first converted into heat energy by combustion, and then this heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. And because the working fluid is petrol and diesel, and it cannot be used, क्योंकि एक बार अगर पेट्रोल और डीजल जल गया, उसको हमने कंबस्ट कर दिया, तो उसके बाद उसके अंदर कुछ भी एनर्जी नहीं बचती है और वो हमारे किसी काम का नहीं होता है, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ हॉट गैसेस बचती हैं एंड दोज एग्जॉस्ट गैसेस आर रिलीज टू द एटमॉस्फेयर. Now let's learn about the working of an IC engine. In this slide, we are going to learn about how the IC engine operation takes place. As we see here in an animation, we are seeing the construction of an IC engine, which we have already learned. Here we are having a piston which is moving from in an hollow cylinder, and this piston movements are reciprocating inside the cylinder. In this piston travels from TDC to BDC. This one is the upper limit for the piston, that it is known as TDC, while the lower limit for the moment of piston is known as BDC. So piston moves from TDC to BDC, and this motion is always known as a stroke. So this piston is again connected to this crankshaft, which is connected to piston by using this connecting rod. This connecting rod is converting the motion, the reciprocating motion of a piston into a rotary motion of crankshaft. Then we are having these two walls. One is known as inlet wall and the other one is known as the exhaust wall. As the name indicates, these walls are used to control the flow of air and fuel inside the engine cylinder. So that's why this wall is known as intake wall, while this other wall is used to control the flow of exhaust gas from the cylinder. So this one is known as exhaust wall. There are basically four strokes occur in an IC engine, and they are as follows. So first of all, a suction stroke takes place, and then a compression takes place. Then after that, a power, and then it is followed by a exhaust. In few slides, we are going to learn about it in details. In engine, four basic operations are performed in one working cycle. The first stroke or operation is known as suction or intake. In this stroke, a fresh air and fuel mixture is comes inside the engine cylinder. After that, this air fuel mixture is compressed, and this second stroke is known as compression. Then this air fuel ratio is ignited and combustion of fuel takes place. This is the process where the chemical energy of fuel is converted into heat energy by combustion, and after that, that heat energy is converted into mechanical work, and this stroke is known as power stroke. And in the end of power stroke, the exhaust, the residual of petrol or a fuel is released to the atmosphere and is known as exhaust stroke. So एक इंजन में ये चार स्ट्रोक परफॉर्म होते हैं, and this cycle is known as engine operations. So this is one cycle, and in one cycle we get a power for one time. In suction stroke, this is the first stroke which is performed in a working cycle. The suction stroke is also known as a intake stroke. In this stroke, a mixture of air and fuel is comes inside the engine cylinder. During this stroke, a piston moves from TDC to BDC. After that, during this stroke, the inlet valve is remain open and exhaust valve is closed. The next condition is that the basic purpose of this stroke is that the air and fuel mixture comes inside the cylinder. Now concentrate on this particular diagram. Look at this. The piston is moving from TDC to BDC during this stroke when this inlet valve is open. Now perform. Now check it at this particular time. The inlet valve is opening and a yellow air fuel ratio is coming inside the cylinder, piston moving from TDC to BDC. So this one is known as a suction stroke. After completion of first stroke, the second stroke starts and is known as compression. इस स्ट्रोक में पिस्टन BDC से TDC की ओर जाता है, and look at this motion. During this stroke, the inlet and exhaust both valve are closed. So this one is the compression stroke. Piston is moving from BDC to TDC. So because both the valves are closed, so this is a closed chamber, and When piston moves from BDC to TDC, the air fuel mixture which is present here in the cylinder is get compressed. Due to the compression, its pressure and temperature goes on increasing. So as the temperature and pressure of the air fuel mixture goes on increasing, it helps to create a power from this. At the end of compression, the combustion of fuel takes place. After compression, fuel air mixture is ignited. To ignite this fuel and air mixture, a different technology is used in different engine. सो फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि पेट्रोल इंजन में फ्यूल एयर को बर्न किया जाता है स्पार्क प्लग से, और डीजल इंजन में जो मिक्सचर है एयर और फ्यूल का उसको बर्न करते हैं बाय यूजिंग हीट ऑफ कॉम्प्रेशन. वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न it in some other lectures in detail ki how these diesel and petrol engines are performed. But after the ignition, the fuel get ignited and the combustion of fuel takes place and hot gases are generated. These hot gases are useful us. And this process or this particular point, we are converting a chemical energy of fuel into a heat energy. So this is the most important part of an engine. When the hot gases are generated because of the combustion, these hot gases push the piston towards the BDC because piston movement is at TDC, and these hot gases are performing a work on piston. Piston moving from TDC to BDC. Piston not moving itself from TDC to BDC. ये हॉट गैसेस जो हमने जनरेट की है एयर फ्यूल मिक्सचर के कंबशन की वजह से, वो जो हॉट गैसेस है वो पिस्टन को मूव करेंगी, उस पिस्टन को ढकेलेगी बीडीसी की तरफ. सो इस मोमेंट के वजह से पिस्टन के ऊपर वर्क परफॉर्म किया जाता है और वो वर्क होता है मैकेनिकल वर्क, और वो पिस्टन के रेसिप्रोकेटिंग मोशन के रूप में परफॉर्म होता है. देन जैसा कि हमने पहले पढ़ा था कि कनेक्टिंग रॉड उस रेसिप्रोकेटिंग मोशन को क्रैंकशाफ्ट पर कनेक्ट प्रोड्यूस रोटरी मोशन में कन्वर्ट कर देती है. तो इस तरह से हमारे पास होता है पावर जनरेशन, और ये पावर हम यूज करते हैं सारे ऑपरेशंस को परफॉर्म करने के लिए. सो इन दिस वे दिस पावर साइकिल heat energy is converted into a mechanical work. लास्ट स्ट्रोक इज परफॉर्म बिकॉज नाउ जो गैस बचा हुआ है, जो धुआं बचा है, जो रेसिडुअल गैसेस बची है, उसका हमें कोई जरूरत नहीं है इस इंजन के अंदर. सो बिकॉज ऑल आईसी इंजन आर वर्क्स ऑन ओपन साइकिल, सो a exhaust valve get open and a black smoke is travel from the outside the engine cylinder. So piston is moving from BDC to TDC. इनलेट वॉल क्लोज रहेगा, एग्जॉस्ट वॉल ओपन होगा और पूरा का पूरा जो एग्जॉस्ट गैस है वो एटमॉस्फेयर में रिलीज हो जाएगा. एंड इन दिस वे द कंप्लीट साइकिल is performed. So cycle is completed. It starts from suction, then compression, then power stroke, and then exhaust. And again, this cycle is get continues again and again during the engine is working. So this is all about the working cycle of an IC engine. In the next lecture, we are going to learn about the classification of IC engine and power cycles. Thank you and keep learning.